Welcome to Fast. Welcome to Just to Pass. What is your exam? Now you are here to learn something. Today, we're going to discuss about the properties of fluid. That means what are the basic properties of fluid that we need to understand, just like the pressure volume density, relative density, specific density, which are the very important terms in the fluid dynamics. Without knowing these quantities, and we cannot go further in the fluid dynamics. So let's go ahead of to encounter this quantity. And the first of the number one quantity is the basic one, and the most important one is the density. Density. What is the density of substances? Density of substances is relatively the mass per unit volume. It is also known as the mass density. Mass density. Same quantity. Same thing. Mass density denoted by sigma. And density is equals to mass of a body and mass of substances upon the volume of substances, and we are dealing with the fluid properties. That's why we can say the mass of fluid upon the volume of fluid. So mass, and the unit of the density is, and the unit of density is mass kg and volume meter cube, kg per meter cube. Okay, this one is the basic thing. And one of the important things we need to understand while doing the numerical is the relation between the liter and the meter cube. And the 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. 1000 liter. This is the important relation. Okay, this is the density and mass density. And another one is the specific weight. Okay, another one is to about the another one, and the another one two number is specific weight. Specific weight, or weight density, same as the mass density. Here is the weight density. And one of the important thing you need to understand is, in each and every term, if the question is asked the energy density, mass density, weight density, if the question is asked to find the density, force density, like this, you don't need to do anything. You just write the weight means the weight of the body. Weight density means the gamma. Weight density means the weight of the body. That means the weight of the body. Weight of the body means the fluid. We are dealing with the fluid motion. Weight of fluid, weight of fluid divided by volume, because the density becomes volume of fluid. This is the weight density. In numerical, you'll not ask the specific weight. Just find out the specific weight. You need to find out the weight density. So weight density means the weight mg upon, that means the volume, and unit weight means the Newton, and volume meter cube. So Newton per meter cube. Okay, you need to understand. Just like mass density, this is same as the weight density. The another third quantity is, and here we have the third quantity. Okay, third quantity. We have the third quantity, that is specific. Okay, specific mass, specific density. Then after the specific volume. Specific volume. Specific volume. This is the specific volume. Okay, this is nothing but the volume volume of fluid, because we are dealing with the fluid motion, that's why the volume of fluid divided by, and volume, specific volume of fluid divided by mass of the fluid. Mass of fluid. No, this is nothing but the, the volume V and mass B m, and we also know the 1 by, and if you put mass by volume m by V, this is nothing, this is the density, so you can write 1 by density, which is known as the reciprocal of, okay, let me change the color here, okay, reciprocal of density, okay, it's called the specific volume, okay. Let's erase this. And the another important thing we need to discuss is that the specific relative density. What is the relative density? What is the relative density? We need to discuss that, which is the very, very important in fluid dynamics and in any case also. Okay, it's a phone number. Okay, done. Four, yes, phone number. Specific means the specific gravity or the relative density. Let me write specific gravity, same name, or relative density. Relative density. Relative density. Relative density. This is the nothing. I'm not going to write the definition here. I'll write the formula, and from there you can write the definition. Okay. Specific density, yes, is defined is the ratio of the density of the substances, the density of substances, but we are dealing with the fluid motion, so density of fluid divided by density of the relative fluid. That means the relative fluid, reference fluid. That means the density of reference fluid. REFERENC, reference fluid. Reference fluid. That means reference fluid. Okay, this is the specific gravity or relative density for this. For liquid, here we need to write another thing, another important thing. And for liquid, okay, done. For liquid fluid, the reference fluid, reference fluid is reference fluid is water, so its density is 1000 kg per meter cube, or 1 kg means gram per cc. This is in CGS unit, this is in SI unit. And for gas, and for gas, reference fluid is here. Density is 1. Okay.